20 cases of meningitis have been confirmed in the UK and 2 deaths reported, writes Irish Independent health correspondent Eilish O'Regan. Vaccines have reduced the fear around the disease in Ireland, but the outbreak in the UK is a stark reminder of how quickly it can strike, especially among young people. Health officials believe the outbreak may be connected to a nightclub in Canterbury, with cases also reported in 5 schools and at the University of Kent. Most are linked to meningitis B, a serious bacterial infection. Meningitis B spreads through close, prolonged contact, things like coughing, sneezing or kissing. It can also spread through sharing items that carry saliva, like drinks, toothbrushes or even vapes. Early symptoms can look like the flu, a fever, headache, vomiting, muscle pain or stomach cramps. But it can quickly become severe, causing confusion, drowsiness, or in babies, refusal to feed. A vaccine to protect against this strain is offered in Ireland to babies at 2, 4 and 12 months. But it only started in October 2016, which means teenagers and college students have missed out. It can be purchased privately and the cost is around €300, including administration fee, although it varies per GP practice. The number of people getting ill with invasive forms of meningitis has dropped in the last 20 years in Ireland. Back in the late 1990s, there were nearly 300 cases of meningitis B a year, compared to just 46 in 2018. But early last year, 23 cases of various forms of bacterial meningitis were recorded in the first 9 weeks, compared to 17 in 2024 and 11 in 2023 during the same period. Most cases were meningitis B. Winter and early spring see more cases of meningitis, and experts are now looking if the flu wave made some people more susceptible. The strain is under investigation to see if there is some new form of variant.